Black Welders checking in with you this morning. Just left the gas station. Got me some coffee, headed back to the room. Get my mind together real quick before I have to jump out here and make something happen, man. I wanted to say something to you this morning. You know what? I have realized something. Once we're woke, hold up for a second. Once we're woke, it's not our responsibility to wake someone else. You know what I mean? You know how we think, like, since we woke down, we need to wake somebody else up. And I realize that all that does at times is discourage us and make you not want to help anybody or do anything because you feel like, man, I tried and so-and-so didn't do this. And you know what I get now? Once we're woke, it's not our responsibility to go wake somebody else up. It's our responsibility to be the light once they wake up. So that way they can see somebody doing it. And then you can talk to them. Then they'll listen. Because now they understand, man. You know, think about it. It's like that old saying. You don't wake a sleepwalker because he might hurt himself and you. So what you do is you guide them to a safe place. They don't even know you guiding them because they sleep. You guide them to a safe place and you just got to keep on living your life. There's nothing you can do until they wake up. Some people wake up. Some people would never wake up. You know, it's just the reality of it. And you know what? Traveling, being a black man, an African American, you are going to face difficulties because there's a lot of people who has been listening to the media or they was raised in certain areas to believe certain things. That's not true, but that's their beliefs. So you're going to get there and they're going to feel like you probably shouldn't be there. Or you there and you probably should kiss ass. Or, you know, just some stupid shit. And it's discouraging. But keep this in mind. Remember why you're doing it. And I know some of us, we just get money, you know, hand over fist. And, you know, I know some guys that have been in the union, they've been getting all this money or they've been traveling. And all they've been doing is buying things. And once the job stop, they ain't got they ain't got no security blanket. Because they allowed them people to work them so hard. And they did the work. And they got the money. But they ain't got nothing to show for it but some things that don't add to nothing. You see what I'm saying? I'm just like, bro, if I'm going to take this racism, if I'm going to take this hate that I get a lot, you know, and keep it real with you, even on this job site that I'm on, you know, it's 3 new guys that I'm networking with, that, you know, I'm working with on this crew. And 2 out of 3 are good people. The other guy's just a fucking asshole. It's just what it is. I mean, he's so type of an asshole, I'm going to keep it real with you. And this to anybody. Like, I don't fuck with people that's assholes and just fucking racist and fucking try to belittle me. You know what I mean? I can't stand that shit. You know what I'm saying? So if a person come to me like that, I'm gonna instantly let you know that I don't go for that bullshit. So you can miss me with that. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't play that shit. And this person is the type of person that literally, I know a few people like this. If their ass was on fire and I seen them, I'm not gonna stop and put their ass out because I feel like I'm interfering with their fucking karma. But they evil as a motherfucker. Maybe that's what you deserve. Your ass to be put in fucking flames right now. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna try to save their ass. Hell nah, fuck them. That's how they feel about you. You know what I mean? Now, as far as me looking out for someone that's cool, man, I can be cool with anybody. Like old, young, big, fat, white, black, Korean, African, whatever culture you are. Like I can talk to anybody. We can be cool. You know what I mean? But when it comes to being biased or you know, calling me out of my name because I don't look like, you know, you want me to look, or I'm not what you think I should be. You know what I mean? Man. Like dig this. I'm gonna tell you something. This was some picky ass shit. I had a guy on this job, so I had to inspect my harness. The guy was like, hey, I got to inspect your harness. I said, okay. There you go. If he go through it, he gonna tell me. Here you go, you expect it. I'll say, hey man, I've been doing this iron worker for a minute. And there is no rule where I got to expect my own shit, because if I expect my own shit gonna be good regardless. Now, if I know that, okay, this ain't gonna work because this might hurt my life, then no, I'm not gonna put that on. But if it's okay, hell yeah, I'm gonna wear it. So it's not, you got to have a supervisor to do that. And I told him that, and then he grabbed and started doing it. So you gonna make me expect my own shit? Come on now. This is the type of prick I'm dealing with. Man, these folks are motherfuckers. But that's what we deal with out here, bro. You know, it is what it is. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna go through type of shit like this, don't just let it be for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Just don't go through this shit for nothing. I mean, make it worth something. Like, I'm trying to build something, man. I'm trying to build something that can outlive me. It's gonna outlive me. You know what I'm saying? And in order for me to do that right now, I gotta make sacrifices. I gotta do some shit that I really ain't fully comfortable with. You know what I'm saying? But it's what it is. You know, um, when a person go on a board and they traveling, they trying to and they're on the odyssey to find their life and to find their path. I mean, you don't know what you're gonna face. It's gonna be, you know, I heard a preacher just say it's gonna be lions, bears, and tigers out there. You might have to fight. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be some stuff that's gonna make you uncomfortable, man. And it's just what it is. You know, I just learned that being independent. So if you thinking, you know, you're African American, you're black, and we're gonna be out here networking in this country, and things just gonna be nice, it ain't gonna be like that all the time. And actually, I'm gonna keep it honest with you. I'm gonna say this statement because one thing I have noticed about the West since I've been in the West, in the South, the racism is there. A lot of times you can't see it. Well, you can, like strong, but you got a lot of the white folks down there that still like help you out. You might be on the side of the road fucking stranded, and they gonna still help you out. They might get home and say, "Hey, I had to help this nigga today." You know what I'm saying? But they gonna still help you. You see what I'm saying? In the West, oh shit, you on your own, bro. You hear me? They don't really like our kind, and especially if you expect them to help you. Hell no, they gonna help they kind. So why we can't help our kind? Like that's the goal here. You know, people so watered down trying to kiss people ass. You can't stand up for your own culture, man. Everybody got their own culture and love their culture. You know, so no reason to belittle your culture just because you around somebody else. I don't give a fuck. This is my culture. I'm a hip hop head. You know what I mean? That's what my culture is. I don't give a fuck if you don't listen to that. That's your business. But if I'm around, if you around me, this is what I'm listening to, or this is how I'm living. You know what I mean? But people judge a whole lot, bro, and you just gonna have to get used to that shit, being independent and just being out here on the ground because you're gonna face some shit that's gonna blow your mind. Like if I would post everything that these folks say and some shit that I see, man, you'd be like, man, it can be discouraging. But then on the flip side of that, karma's a motherfucker. And I done been to a lot of places now where a lot of these, you know, little areas, they need workers. You can get on your feet fast because they people on drugs now, opiums. They on heroin, meth. You know what I mean? They stealing, you know, not really killing, but they stealing and getting high. They don't want to work. They don't want to do nothing. That's what their communities going. They got to find somebody to do the job. So you can come in and get the money. They might not like you, but they got to get that job done. You see what I'm saying? You ain't got to like me, but you gonna pay me. You see what I'm saying? So take advantage of the situation. To me, it's karma. You know what I mean? I feel the same way about their situation, just like they felt about our people when the crack epidemic hit. You know what they told us? Just say no. Well, that's what I'm saying. You know, I feel the same fucking way. You know, just say no. But nah, it's a disease. It's a sickness. It really is. So these people need help, just like our people did. They threw our ass in prison. That's how they helped us. They made money off our ass. True facts. You know, so for us, it ain't gonna never be equal. Yeah, it is what it is, but we can still live okay. You know, we can still live and get it. You know, we can present ourselves to be respected, and everybody is not gonna respect you certain ways. But so don't let it, you know, rough your fellas up too bad. Just keep on going. As long as it ain't directly in your circle, you know what I mean. Don't even trip. You know what I mean. But it's different, man. You know what I mean. I realize, bro, we just got to keep in mind that we got a goal. We got a family. We got some things that we're trying to do. So we can't let their ignorance, their hatred or foolishness keep us from getting where we're going to get to. You see what I'm saying? Because there's always going to be somebody that don't like us because we here. But we ain't going nowhere. If you didn't want us over here, you shouldn't have brought us.